Hi everyone. So this is going to be my second video. So this time we are going to do the multiple linear regression. And say the multiple linear regression. The following data set dependent variable. So price is going to be my only dependent variable. And the type, horsepower, wheelbase, width, length, curve width, fuel capacity, MPC. These are going to be my independent variable. Okay. So basically independent means these factors are going to decide the variability of the price, how much they can explain the variability and which factors are more important, which factors we can and which these features we can reject while deciding the price. So yeah, we are going to run a regression analysis. So for that we'll go on the data. From data we'll go on data analysis part. So now let's do the data analysis. I'll go on the regression. Yes, the regression and click on OK. Now you can see this input range. You can see this input range Y, input range X. Confidence I'm going to put the 95%. Which other things which I want, so I don't take any other thing. So now I'll choose the new worksheet because this worksheet, as you can see, it's already occupied. So I'll take the new worksheet. So let's do that also. So I will click on input range Y. So let's do I'll select only the numerical value of Y. Okay. So it will go till down 162. Okay. Now I can find. So yeah, already taken data analysis. Yes. So now put it down. Now input range X. So again, I'm going to take only these values till 162. Yes. So also taken. So yes. Now confidence is 95%. Okay. Now new worksheet. It will open new worksheet. So now click on the OK. It will take few seconds, not that much. Yeah. So I'll make it more clear that you can see this. So yeah, as you can see these values, take these values. As you can see these values, significance f, r square, adjusted, this p value, this wholesale is going to tell you the p values and all. So I have already calculated and made a slide for you. So we'll go on analysis part. Hey, is the analysis part. As you can see, few things like r square is definitely it's very good. It's coming out to be 80%. Adjusted r, multiple r. So adjusted r is basically difference between r square and adjusted r. Means if by adding any new variable, how much it's going to respond our r square. So it shows the variability in r square, the adjusted r. I can see that r square value is 80%, means 80% of the variation in price. 80% variation in price is being explained by these 9 variables like types, engine side, horsepower, wheelbase, weight, length, curve width, fuel capacity. Here overall our significance f, that is p value. So what is p value? Means we are hypothesis, null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. Null hypothesis means it is not going to explain, means it won't show the relationship, means these independent variables do not show any relationship with the dependent. So here we can see our confidence level was means 95%, so 0.05% was left. So here we can see it is coming out to be less than 0.057, 0.05. It means that we have enough evidence. We have enough evidence to reject our null hypothesis. It means that it is showing variability. We can see from here also 80% of the variation is being explained by these variables. Now coming to the second major part, second important thing. So these are my independent variables. So we can see this p value of each independent variable. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is also okay, but here this greater than 0.05, this is also okay, 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 here also 0.06. So what we can conclude from that, mileage and wheel bars, these two variables, p value is much higher than 0.05. It means mileage and wheel bars do not impact the car. It means we can ignore these features in calculating the price. Okay, so what I'll do in the next step, I'll filter these data, that mileage and wheelbase, and again render and regression analysis. So I hope this part is clear. So let's go on the filter data. So let's go on the filter data. Let's move on the top. Yes, so I have removed these data, MPG and wheelbase, put it in the another side. Now again I'll do again in the regression analysis. So again I'll go on the data, um, data analysis, regression, then input, again the same input is my same, output, this time output I'm going to change. So I have to remove these two data. So no output is not going to that part, output is only this part. Let's see, yeah, output is only this part, so remaining thing will be same, new worksheet. Now I'll click on OK. Yeah, you can see this. So if you, these values are visible to you, all people, so I have already explained this in another sheet, so I'm going to show you that sheet, that is final analysis. Again you can say this, my r value, r square value, multiple r square adjusted are still very higher. So that means that values are not impacting significance. P value is also good. P value here we can see that after removing, so it's still coming at 0.6. Yeah, it's still tolerable, but 0.04, 0.41 was not tolerable, but 0.06, yeah, we can assume, yeah, we can take that value. Okay, so 80% multiple r and variation is being explained, and you can see that degree of freedom is 7, residual degree of freedom total is coming out to be 152, coefficient standard, so t stat is nothing but coefficient over standard error, so it's t value, t test we did, p value and all, everything is explained. Still we can say that it's a significant analysis. So yeah, that's it from my part. I hope you like this video. Thank you. In the next part, I'm going to take a data set on logistic regression. That is going to another fun part of that. Okay, thank you.